Good morning, you guys, from Milan. Super stoked to be back in Europe, and we're starting in one of our favorite countries here in Italy. You excited to be here?
I'm so excited to be here, you guys. This is actually the start to a pretty incredible trip for us. We're going to be going to 10 different countries here in Europe, all by train, but we'll definitely talk more about that later. We just touched down in Milan last night, and today is going to be all about taking in the European ambiance, eating good food, seeing the city.
Eating lots of food.
Yeah, eating lots of good food, which needs to start right now because we were both like dying for some breakfast.
Let's run away to Italy and back. Next to the sea till years go by. Till years go by. Scappiamo in Italia e prendiamo una casa al mare. Il mare. While I talk to God about the stars in your eyes and how your lips curve just like the sunrise. So I ask you how gently can you be mine to help this hopeless romantic survive.
Smells so good already.
It smells so good. We're so hungry.
What pastries do you recommend?
For me, I recommend this one, pistachio crema, really good.
This place is jam-packed, but we've come to this bakery, Debbie's. We've got 2 cappuccinos, some orange juice, pastries. That was a very hectic ordering. I'm sweating.
A couple of small little pastries here. They're known for their pistachio, Sammy just told me, so I'm excited to try that. Cheers, you guys.
That is so good.
One of the best pastries I've ever had. For our main course, we have this delicious looking focaccia sandwich. Looks like we have some hamon on there, some mozzarella, tomato. Oh my gosh, this looks so amazing.
I love pastries just as much as the next person, but this looks so good. Oh my gosh, I can't even tell you how excited I am for this.
I already talked about how good the pastries were. The coffee, nothing to brag about there, but this sandwich is to die for. It's like the perfect essence of the taste of Italy. Weird for breakfast, but I can't tell you guys how much this hits the spot right now. Oh. Such a good find.
That was a good find. I found that on a Reddit thread. And then also later on I saw it on TikTok. And now I know why, because that place was hectic, but it was so good. Worth it.
Alright.
Have a great day.
Thank you, my man. Nice to meet you, brother.
Nice to meet you.
Have a good day.
We've just made it over here to Piazza del Duomo. You guys, this place is busy. It is popping with people. But we've come over here because this is where the Duomo is. This is where the Galleria is, which is like a really nice shopping mall. We're gonna do some people watching, head into the Duomo. I can already see that the line is wrapped around the building, so probably gonna go start waiting in line right about now. We woke up a little bit late because jet lag.
So this church is actually the largest church in Italy. It's the 4th largest in the world. It took over 6 centuries to build. I think we're gonna be able to go up top on the rooftop to get some amazing views of the city. Bravo, bravo.
Don't do like we did. We did not buy our tickets in advance because I read online that it was fine to just rock up and buy your tickets at the door. They're time slotted. So the first time slot that we could get today was not until 4:30 and it's 1. So we bought our tickets. This was 20 euros each to do the Duomo and to go up to the terrace. But since we have time to kill, I think we're gonna head over to Sempione Park. I gotta look up how to say that. But anyway, we're gonna head over to the park. We just made it over here to Castello Sforzesco. It's a beautiful old castle. I think it's home to a bunch of old museums now. You can pay different entrance fees to go see whichever one you want to see. The grounds are free to wander around, so I think we're just going to go in and check it out.
So we're just walking through the park now. It's just right outside the castle walls, and spring hasn't sprung yet.
It's a little scraggly.
So it's not the prettiest. I'm sure in the summer and springtime though it is beautiful. But it's still nice just to get out of the hustle and bustle. It's so quiet through here. Met so many friendly people as well.
Yeah.
Everybody's been so kind to accept getting portraits taken and all that stuff.
Yeah, I always feel like it's a little bit more intimidating to ask for portraits when we're in Europe. But you've had nothing but luck, like only 2 no's today.
It's always the older men that turn me down.
That's true.
The women are always so sweet and nice.
Yeah,
But
they're ready to pose.
You tonight, and I don't the world see me, 'cause I don't think that they understand. And when everything's made to be broken, I just want you to know who I am.
So public transportation here is super easy and affordable. But
And
that
it-
last tram was so packed. Oh my God, we were squeezed in there so
I don't
tightly.
think I've ever been on a more tightly packed public transportation. I do love that the metro is tap one, tap off with your
Credit card, which
Yes.
makes it nice. You don't have to buy anything separate to,
so nice.
to use it. Super simple.
Okay, time for the Duomo.
Tasty, they look plenty. This is hungry world. Take me to church, I worship like a dog and try to be nice. I'll tell you my sins so you can sharpen your knife. Offer me my death instead of good dog. Let me give you my life.
This might be the most beautiful spot we've been to yet.
I know.
I love the glass ceilings.
Yeah, I love the architecture in here. It's interesting that it's a shopping mall though, but very nice stores.
true. No place we can afford. Do you want to go to Rolex first or Gucci?
Ooh, Gucci. Maybe Chanel.
You can do the bolt spin for good luck.
I don't,
3 times on the bolt balls.
I don't think I'm aggressive enough to like, there's no line. It's just people putting themselves out there. And I don't know if I can do that. Too many people are around.
You have enough good luck, right?
Yeah, we're already lucky. We don't need to do anything else to this poor bowl.
So this was opened in 1877. It's one of the world's oldest shopping malls. It is so gorgeous. You guys, the architecture is amazing. I love like the paintings up top with the glass ceiling. One of my favorite part is actually the flooring. The tile is so beautiful, so decorative. What a pretty cool spot. For a shopping mall, I'm impressed.
Sammy, we're in.
Finally. It's actually not as crowded later in the afternoon.
And we're climbing.
Up we go.
So there is a lift here too. You get to pay extra to do that, but we always like stairs. A little exercise doesn't hurt us.
Save money.
And it saved us some money. Most important part.
We're back in Europe. The squares, the churches, climbing the stairs.
No bell tower.
No bell tower, but we're climbing the stairs to a view.
Pretty
Yes.
cool. We're actually on a roof, right?
Oh, I know. I was kind of surprised when it's like an actual triangle up here. I'm like, oh my god, I'm gonna slip and fall. It's kind of scary.
Got you worried about falling.
I was like, we can't get a flat roof. Can't see anything unless you pay. My legs are literally shaking after walking up all of those stairs, and to be honest, we actually put in a lot of steps today, but the church was nice, very intricate. It was kind of weird though, because like with all the scaffolding, you couldn't actually get like a good view of like the square or anything like that. But we've definitely worked up an appetite. Time for a little aperitivo and maybe some dinner. Last night we decided to go have a pasta and get our pasta fix. We went to this place that made handmade pasta. The ladies were making it in the window. I ordered like a ragu pasta, and Tommy ordered a carbonara. So we got our pasta fix, and tonight we're going to maybe have more of a Lombardi cuisine. So yeah, hungry, ready for some food and drinks.
So a little snack before dinner. We're leaving tomorrow already, sadly. And I can't come to Italy without having some gelato first. So I got limone, and what was the bottom one? Contessa. It's like a mixed almonds, a biscuit, and hazelnut, I think, right? Yeah. Some of my favorite things. The lady is so sweet. She's from the Philippines, so she was full of smiles, obviously. Cheers, you guys.
It's very crowded here. I feel very nervous. Cheers. We've come for a little aperitivo at this place called Mag Cafe. It's right on the canals here in the Navigli area. Anyway, Tommy has ordered a Negroni, which I think is like gin and vermouth. And then I ordered this is another bitters drink, but with their house-made bitters, which was, I think he said like Bisetti or something like that. And also this place comes with little aperitifs, which is like little snacks, like olives, plantain chips, popcorn, kind of like odd aperitifs. I think usually it's like charcuterie, but it's fun. It has a really nice vibe. This place is packed. I feel very awkward talking on camera, but it's totally fine because this is gonna help. Cheers. Okay, this is so good. Also, this is like my favorite color, but this is delicious.
So usually you take your time here in Italy and enjoy your drinks. I loved all the appetizers they served though, such a great variety. But we made dinner reservations actually in about 10 minutes. We're running a little bit late, so we had to rush our drinks. We really sucked those down quick, but we are super stoked for a very fancy and delicious dinner tonight. Isn't the ambience so nice here?
Oh yeah, with the canals and all the restaurants are like lit up with decorations. It's really nice.
It is. It's a great spot you picked out.
Yeah, thank you.
Sammy, I can spot you from anywhere with that jacket on.
I know. Everyone's in black and I'm in this crazy pink jacket.
She's about to go crabbing. What do you guys think of her new jacket?
I was
The deadliest catch. You can easily be a...
I was thinking, oh, Europe in spring, I definitely need a new rain jacket. And now that I'm here, I'm like, oh, maybe this wasn't the right choice.
I like it. You really did pick a fancy place for us.
We did, and I thought making a reservation at 7:30, I was like, oh, are we going to be able to get in? I think we were able.
They might be full. We're just early.
We're early.
7:30 is early dinner here in Italy, which is wild for us. We're like 5:30 dinner people.
I know. Okay, sit down. People are staring. That's perfect. Thank you.
Okay. It's really great that they have different wine glasses for the different wines.
I know. I was so caught up in it. I didn't realize you got a different wine than me.
So we just got our wine. We had no idea what kind of wine to order. The wine list was so huge. So they brought over a separate waiter who recommended both of our wines based on what our dishes were, which is really nice. So we both got separate red wines. They're both delicious as well. Cheers.
Cheers.
Feels so good to be back in Italy. Nice fancy dinner. We both got veal too, which should be amazing.
Decoration.
Thank you. Wow, it was so fast. Wow.
So when we first sat down, I thought this was just decoration, but look how awesome. They got carrots and lettuce and celery, and they have a couple dipping sauces here too. So it's an edible flower arrangement. So I got Milan's signature dish. It's a veal cutlet that is fried until it's golden and crispy. Look how good this looks. Just for reference, this thing is huge. First bite, so tender. I love the little sea salt on top. It's delicious.
I'm so excited for this dish. Okay, so I ordered the veal ossobuco, which is a slow braised veal chunk of meat.
Steak.
What?
Steak.
Which is a slow braised steak, I guess you could say, and it's on top of a bed of the Milanese risotto, which is like this yummy golden color, and you can see like little flecks of red from the saffron, so it's like a saffron risotto. This is a typical Milanese dish. Oh my gosh.
I'm a little bit jealous.
Wow, whenever I was cutting into that, it literally just like sliced like nothing. I could have just used my fork. Oh, it looks so good. So tender. A little bit peppery too. Both delicious dishes with Italian wine. We're back in Europe, baby. This is so good. I'm so excited. So now we're just gonna enjoy a really nice dinner. Cheers.
I don't know if we should switch though.
Why?
With your high blood pressure, with all the fried food you eat, you know?
Cholesterol. Good try. I have high cholesterol because I like fried food. We're joking, but it's not a joke.
Yeah, not joke, people.
Okay.
So we couldn't end our Italian dinner without tiramisu. Look how pretty this is, though. I saved just a tiny bit of red wine left to go with the dessert. How's your wine coming? Sammy couldn't help herself. I told her too, but she doesn't listen. Well, that's it for today, guys. Great day exploring Milan. We had so much fun. Our first stop of 22 different cities we're doing for the next 2 months. We're super excited to be sharing our journey with you guys. We were supposed to do Lake Como, but the weather looks like it's supposed to be super rainy, so we're gonna have to skip that this time. But excited to share our next journey in Switzerland. Woo! Can't wait. Thanks for watching, you guys. Appreciate you guys. See you in the next one.